Now, there's all these other things. There's this little white rail thing or whatever that comes up. It's a little higher there. We have all our other little knobs, and we got a window here and stuff like that. But at this point, all that is irrelevant. What I really want you to do, we have a rough sketch in there now, is to make sure that this feels right. Once again, remember our lesson about the lines that go into deep space, okay? They're going to be flatter here, and they're going to be slightly more horizontal here, all right? And let's see if we even draw a box around it that illustrates that point nicely. Those are basic rules of perspective that you want to keep in mind. So before you move any further, it's really important that you analyze those lines, those deep space lines that we just talked about. Make sure that they're correct. You can take a lot of liberty with the drawing of this boat. Like I said, making this thing higher if you want to. You can make it lower. You can make it longer. You can extend this out further. You can make the hull of the boat taller. You can make the hull of the boat shorter. There's a lot of artistic liberties, but those lines are seating in the deep space. Those are perspective lines. And Richard Schmidt talked about this too. You got to get those correct. All right. If you don't, I'm just going to wipe some of this excess paint off here. If you don't get those lines correct, then your painting is not going to turn out looking good. So no matter what you do as far as artistic liberties, stop right now and make sure you have the feeling of those lines where they should be.